Antarctica, the last frontier on Earth. A frozen enigma hiding secrets older than humanity itself. In 2025, a groundbreaking discovery beneath the ice has sent shockwaves through the scientific world. Find so extraordinary, it could redefine our understanding of life, climate, and the very history of our planet. Welcome to the Time Files, a deep dive into a hidden world uncovered in the most unlikely of places. Buckle up for a more than 7 minutes journey into the unknown. Deep beneath East Antarctica's ice, scientists from the University of Texas stumbled upon something astonishing. Lake Snow Eagle, a massive subglacial lake, the size of a city, buried under 2 miles of ice. Unlike anything seen before, this lake isn't just a body of water, its sediments, over 1,000 feet deep, could hold clues to Antarctica's climate before it froze over 34 million years ago. But what makes this discovery truly shocking? The possibility that it harbors life microbes that have been isolated for millions of years. The story begins in 2022, when polar research aircraft equipped with advanced radar detected an anomaly in Princess Elizabeth Land. A mile-deep canyon, hidden from the world, cradled a lake 30 miles long and 9 miles wide, named Lake Snow Eagle after the aircraft that found it. This discovery wasn't confirmed until when new satellite data and ice-penetrating radar mapped its full extent. Lead glaciologist Martin Siegert called it a record of Antarctica's birth. Why does this matter? The sediments at the lake's bottom could reveal how Antarctica transitioned from a lush, forested continent to the icy desert we know today. They might even hold traces of ancient microbes, preserved in a pristine environment, untouched by sunlight or air. If life exists here, it could mirror conditions on Mars or Jupiter's moon Europa, opening new possibilities for astrobiology. But getting to Lake Snow Eagle is no easy task. Drilling through 2 miles of ice requires cutting-edge technology and years of planning. In 2025, an international team announced plans to drill into the lake by 2030, using sterile techniques to avoid contamination. The stakes are high. One wrong move could destroy this pristine ecosystem. Before we even understand it, let's talk about the life angle. Subglacial lakes like Vostok, discovered decades ago, showed that microbes can survive in extreme conditions. But Lake Snow Eagle is different. Its size and depth suggest a more complex ecosystem, possibly with unique metabolic processes. Scientists hypothesize these microbes could use chemical energy from the lake's sediments, thriving without sunlight. If confirmed, this would be a game-changer for understanding life's limits on Earth and beyond. Scientists were not just looking at rocks and water. We're peering into a world that's been sealed off for millions of years. If we find life in Lake Snow Eagle, it could tell us how life might persist in the harshest corners of the universe. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: climate change. Antarctica's ice is melting faster than ever, contributing 28 centimeters to sea level rise by 2100 if trends continue. Lake Snow Eagle's discovery raises urgent questions. If the ice above it thins, could this hidden lake be exposed? And what would that mean for its delicate ecosystem? The sediments could also reveal how Antarctica responded to past warming periods, helping us predict future ice loss. Antarctica isn't just ice and rock, it's a living continent. Recent discoveries, like the vibrant ecosystems found under the George VI ice shelf in 2025, show how life adapts to extreme conditions. But Lake Snow Eagle takes this to another level. Its isolation makes it a natural laboratory, untouched by human activity or modern pollutants. To put this in perspective, let's rewind. When explorers like Roald Amundsen reached Antarctica in 1911, they saw a barren wasteland. No one imagined rivers, lakes, or life beneath the ice. Fast forward to today, and we're uncovering a hidden world that challenges everything we thought we knew. Lake Snow Eagle is a testament to how much we still have to learn. So, what's next? The race is on to drill into Lake Snow Eagle without disturbing its ecosystem. International teams are developing drills that can melt through ice while maintaining sterile conditions. They're also using AI to analyze radar data, mapping the lake structure in unprecedented detail. Every step brings us closer to unlocking its secrets. Imagine this: by 2030, we retrieve the first sediment core from Lake Snow Eagle. Scientists find fossilized pollen from ancient forests, chemical signatures of long-extinct microbes, and evidence of a warmer Antarctica. Or maybe they discover living organisms, adapted to a world without light. Either way, this discovery could rewrite textbooks. Lake Snow Eagle isn't alone. In recent years, Antarctica has revealed fossil forests from 200 million years ago, massive subglacial canyons, and even a nursery of icefish in the Weddell Sea. Each find peels back another layer of the continent's history. But Lake Snow Eagle stands out for its potential to bridge Earth's past with its future. Working in Antarctica is brutal. Temperatures drop to minus 40 degrees Celsius, and blizzards can trap teams for weeks. Yet scientists endure these conditions for discoveries like Lake Snow Eagle. Their work reminds us that exploration isn't just about finding new places. It's about challenging what we believe is possible. Let's zoom out. Antarctica is often called White Mars because its extreme conditions mimic those of other planets. If life exists in Lake Snow Eagle, it could guide our search for extraterrestrial life. NASA and ESA are already studying this discovery to refine their missions to icy moons like Europa. The parallels are striking. Europa's subsurface ocean, trapped under ice, could host microbes similar to those in Lake Snow Eagle. By studying this Antarctic lake, we're not just learning about Earth. Preparing to explore the cosmos, Lake Snow Eagle is more than a lake. It's a window into Earth's past, a warning about its future, and a beacon for life beyond our planet. As we stand on the brink of drilling into this hidden world, one thing is clear: Antarctica still holds secrets that can change everything. Thanks for joining us on this more than 7 minutes journey into the unknown. Subscribe for more stories from the edge of discovery, and let us know in the comments what you think this lake might reveal.